Hello you guys, you're here with Skipper Drones, and today we are about to bring you a quadcopter by HobbyMate. So this is going to be an unboxing of the HobbyMate Comet. So let's open it up here. I'm going to set all this aside for now. Alright, as you can see, they have it packaged very nicely. Very nicely. You get this package inside this styrofoam container here. It's very nice. Alright, so we're going to move this over here out the way and show you guys the quadcopter. This is the HobbyMate Comet 5-inch VX220 racing drone. It's a pretty nice, durable quad. All the solder points are nice, looking good. This is going to be a nice quad. You can get this in the plug and play version or bind and fly version with the XM Plus receiver. It's also available with the FR Sky RX-SR receiver. The version you can get with the XM Plus receiver, it ranges around $210. You can get the FR Sky RX-SR version for around about $219. And you can get the plug and play version around $170. So that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, you guys. The model I have here is the HobbyMate Comet. It comes with the HobbyMate motors, 2305, 2500 kV. You can also get this with different motors. You can get this with the 2305 1800 kV. So it's available with the 2500 kV or the 1800 kV motors. The motors are RC Empowered. That's who they're made by, RC Empowered. And right now they have a very good promotion going on right now. If you buy 4 motors, you can get the 1800 kV or the 2500 kV. I will have a link in the description below where you can get this quad from, and you can get these motors. But if you buy 4 motors, you get the HobbyMate Comet frame for free, and that runs around $50. So that's not a bad deal right now. And you can get this quad and the motors from Hobby Cool. And I will have a link in the description below for you guys, as I said. So let's check out the frame here. The frame is a Stretch X frame. The arms are 5 millimeters. You have 2 millimeter sandwich plates here, and you also have a 2 millimeter top plate. You have countersunk screws, so you won't indent the battery, and that is nice. You have and what I like about this a lot is you have 2 screws for the motor. So if you're in the field, you can easily take these 2 screws out, pop out the arm if you break it, and put it and attach the other arm quickly. And that also, to me, it seems like it would eliminate a lot of vibration going to the stack, because the stack is not attached to the arms. It has 3 motor screw holes here, and the frame is solid. You cannot even bend it. It is very solid. This is a nice quad. In the first ones they were sitting out, it had it didn't have an anti slip mat for the battery, but the ones they are sending out now, they just included in the box, so that's nice. That's very nice. It also didn't come with a battery strap, so they have included that also into the box. So that is awesome. So they have changed it up big time. So now let's check out the components on the inside, the electronics. The ESCs are Airbot Typhoon 3200 V2s with BL Holly 32 4 and 135 amp. D-Shot 1200 with ESC telemetry. And it also has here, I don't know if you guys can see it, I try to angle the camera in there where you can see it. It has a shield over the ESCs now, a copper shield for the overheat protection, which is nice. It also has the Airbot Omnibus F4V6 flight controller. It was flashed with Betaflight 3.5.1 firmware. And the VTX, they have turned it upside down now, because I got the one with the XM Plus receiver, so they can sit the XM Plus receiver in there. You can bind it here from the top. So I was thinking that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. It also comes with the VTX, and the VTX is an iFlight VTX. The name of the VTX is the Force V2 5.8 gigahertz 48 channel, and it can change from 0 to 25, 100, 200, 400, 600 milliwatt switchable FPV transmitter. It has a button here underneath where you can change your channels, your frequency, and your power output. You can also do the same thing with the transmitter, with the IRC tramp protocol in the OSD menu. It has a MMCX connector. It has a Foxy Lollipop 2 antenna. In the first ones they were sending out, you see the hole here, they had the antenna sitting on top, coming out the top. But now they have printed a PTU mount for the Lollipop to sit on the back, which I think is very nice. Very nice. It's low, discreet, very nice. Like I say, this is a all-around nice quad. All-around nice quad. And the antenna, it is a 2.5 dBi 5.8 gigahertz. So this quad is going to be a beast, you guys. All right, let's take the camera casing off. The camera that comes with this is a Foxy Arrow Micro Pro 600 TVL. It has a 125 degree field of view, and it has a 1.8 millimeter lens. And that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. The quadcopter itself is weighing in with the props at 108 grams. I don't have the props right now. I am waiting for those to come in, but it doesn't come with props. So the suggested props are the Dow props 5045s or the Gem Fan 5152s. Yes, this is going to be a real powerful quad, you guys. Nice flyer. We're gonna sit that there for a minute. It also comes with a bunch of instructions and documents. You get the VTX instructions, you get the frequency table, the channel outputs, and it tells you how to hook it up in the ports in beta flight. So that's nice. You also get the instructions for the Omnibus F4V6, and it tells you all the resources, where to hook it up at it. This also has 6 UARTs, so that's a lot. This is a nice flight controller here. Nice. And it also has the colored pinout, you guys, on the back. So that is also nice. Then they put a lot of thought into this quad here. You also get the instructions for the Typhoon 32V2 ESC, and you have a pin map down below. So that is nice. They also give you battery strap, a HobbyMate battery strap, anti-battery slip mat, they give you all the stuff that came inside the camera box, extra screws, and this is where you can change the camera in the OSD joystick. They give you an extra dipole antenna with the MMCX adapter on it. Extra cables here that always come in handy. And I have the bracket to the camera, which I don't need for this quad. But like I say, you guys, this is going to be a nice quad. And I'm waiting on my props to come in. As soon as my props come in and the weather clear up here, we'll be able to get out and have our first flight with it. I like the way they did the antennas too. They got it running out the side of the leg so they won't get caught up in the props. And then you have wire guards too, so if you have a prop strike on your legs, it won't cut your wires. So that is nice. I can't wait to get her up in the air. Alright, you guys, this is the HobbyMate Comet, and I will have all the links in the description below where you can go and get the motors if you want, and get the free frame, and where you can purchase the quad kit from. I would appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button and the like button. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. My email is below, and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.